The spine gets its strength from the curves. That means that the curves of the spine are essential in the strength. Now, the muscles that run down either side of the spine, they're not under conscious control. So you don't want to strengthen the muscles because they're really going to respond to proprioception. Think of like a cat. You know, a Halloween cat goes like that when they're scared and the muscles fire off. So look at restoring the curves and then look at stabilizing and correcting the area above and below where you've been told you had a herniated disc. Because you're never going to see a disc injury on the bottom, okay, in the lumbar area, without having some abnormal force loading on the top. So if there's been an old thoracic injury or cervical injury or a knee injury or foot injury or hip injury causing the gait to be altered or causing that force loading to be altered, that's going to be the source of that herniated disc, not just some, lifting a child or lifting a trash can. Restoring the natural curves and looking at the altered biomechanics from past injuries. So restoring foot biomechanics, knee biomechanics, stabilizing the pelvis, and looking at the entire spine. Don't be confused by symptoms. 90% of the nerves coming off that spine, there's no pain fibers. So don't let the symptoms guide your care.